Alzheimer's disease continues to be heartbreaking for families across Maine, and there is still no cure.
There are more than 29,000 Mainers living with the disease. Once a year, advocates ask their elected leaders to do everything they can to help support patients and their loved ones. News Center Maine's David Guilford joining us live in Augusta tonight with the ongoing fight against this disease.
Well, good evening, Brian and Amanda. Today was an annual day of advocacy for families living with Alzheimer's and supporters calling for better care for them. Now, a group organized by the Alzheimer's Association gathered in the State House this afternoon to call on lawmakers to pass 3 bills aimed at making life easier for impacted families. 2 of them would create a state plan for the disease and offer tuition rebates to entice specialized workers to come here. The third would require health insurers to cover so-called biomarker testing. Now, Maine insurers have balked at a mandate while saying many of them cover the tests anyway, while the association wants more patients to get an early detection.
Alzheimer's is one of the costliest diseases to society, and we know that the only way to reduce those costs is earlier detection and diagnosis. Right now it can take up to 2 years, in fact, to get a diagnosis, which just delays care management.
And while they called for action, the group also gave credit where they thought it was due as well. After this afternoon's event, they walked over to Senator Susan Collins' office to thank her for reintroducing the BOLD Act, which would continue nationwide funding and initiatives to combat Alzheimer's. Reporting live in Augusta, David Guilford, News Center, Maine.